Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for tuning in. If you want to see more of me, please subscribe to my channel and also click the notification bell button so that you will notified every time I do upload a new videos. Oh, that's fast. Okay, on today's video, another monthly subscription beauty box unboxing. So this is the Ipsy Glam bag. I'm so excited. I don't know, I cannot wait to try all of these. And yeah, let's open it. Oh, so cute bag. And when you open it, this is what's look like the bag. And they have those Ipsy name on the pouch. And it's the same, kind of like the same of the other my Ipsy Glam bag. They're kind of like sister, the pouch. And yeah, super cute. Oh, by the way guys, this is only $12 every month for this Ipsy Glam bag. It's really, they have really cute products as well. And yeah, if you want to try it, go ahead. It's only $12 every month, and if you don't like it, you can go ahead and cancel the subscription whatever you want. So it's not bad. It's only $12. It's not really bad. So yay, the paper, the same of the Glam bag. Really nice paper as well. And oh, this is so cute. They have name on it. Oh, they don't put name of the product and the price. No, not like the boxes, and they put the name and the price as well. But Ipsy, they don't put it. So I'm just looking like, what's the name or the product? No, they don't put it. Anyways, so this is the Mark. So this is the Mark there, Mark Anthony True Professional 100% extra virgin coconut oil and sea butter leave-in conditioner. Okay, detangle and hydrate dry damaged hair into short, smooth, healthy looking hair with biotin. Oh, this is what I need, this one, because every time I get out of the shower, comb my hair, they're all tangled. My hair, it's take me a while to fix my hair, comb my hair. So definitely gonna I hope this is gonna work for me. So this is what's look like, guys. Super cute, really cute. I'm so excited. Oh, it smells coconut. Nice, it smells coconut. And let's put it back to the really cute pouch. And the third one is the, oh, what is this? I don't know, what is it? Super cute one. Pharma and Arnica Relief and Rescue Mask, Sooty and De-Stretch. Oh, this is like another mask. Super cute. A small packaging of mask. Oh, super cute. It says First Aid Beauty. Oh my god, it's super cute. I'm so excited about this one. Really cute packaging. Oh, it smells so good. And we got another mask. Oh, we're gonna get our skin so better. And the third one is this Tarte. Oh, super cute packaging. It's a lip gloss, super tiny one. It's a baby lip gloss, super cute. This is the Tarte H2O gloss. It's super cute. Really cute packaging of lip gloss. So tiny. Oh my god, it's so cute. It's really cute packaging of lip gloss. So I think that's it for my Ipsy Glam bag. Not sure. Yeah, that's it for my Ipsy Glam. So I only have 3 items, I think. So yeah, that's it for my Ipsy Glam bag. I only got 3 items. So these are all the items that I got for my Ipsy Glam bag for $12. It's super cute little packaging, and also you can put it here on the bag as well. Super cute. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for tuning in. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, again, please subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to click the notification bell button so that you will notified every time I do upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching, everyone, and I will see you on my next one. Bye.